Good afternoon. My name is Quincy Pinling from Professor Daniel Stein's CIS 205 class at Queensborough Community College. Today I will be talking about Chapter 4 in our textbook, Measuring Success. How should a business measure success is the real question. I would think that every business would want to measure success at that there would be no limit to success in real life, but that's not in a way realistic. Critical success factors are important steps that a company will take in order to achieve their goals and play out their strategy. Key performance indicators are measurements that a business will use in order to assess the progress towards critical success factors. Now, some people might be confused as to why a business would want to use metrics to measure success of a strategic initiative. Businesses would want to do that because in doing so, they would constantly keep track of their business to make sure it was functioning at its healthiest potential. If you skip any detail, you can miss out on something that can potentially mess up your business and mess up the success that you are headed towards. So it's very important to use metrics to measure the success of your business.